There's a lot of stuff that's coming up actually. All thanks to you guys. I want to see you in again इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूँ? ओ भाई, ओके, कितने बनवाओगे तुम लोग? जीशान का अच्छा, I'm looking red. तो स्ट्रॉबेरी याद आई भाई तेरे को सिर्फ खाली. Hey, but if I say hi to your mom, how will she know that I'm saying hi to her? Is she also on the live feed? है ना? Upcoming movie. Right now the 200's coming up, guys. It's coming on the 20th of August on Z5. So, yeah. Nice to see you socializing more these days. What is your daughter's name? My daughter's name is Sifat. Sifat. Hello, Dorina from Albania. Yeah, I really want to visit all these places. It's so strange that people see your work in the other countries and you never even visited that country. How much time do you work out in a day? 1 hour. But only these days, coffee times have not worked. Is such a right, to mera Sunday. Yeah. Any project with Sanaya? Ekdam right now to nahi yaar, but hopefully in the future. प्लीज से व्हाट द तुम लोग थकते नहीं हो यार एक सेम चीज़ बार सॉरी सुन के सॉरी आप क्या खाना खाया मैंने क्या आज क्या खाना खाया मैंने क्या खाया आज एक से आई हैड इडली सांभर या घर पे बना हुआ इडली सांभर हाउ ओल्ड एम आई डूड आई एम गोना बी 37 नेक्स्ट मंथ ओह सॉरी दिस मंथ 21st August या 37 हेलो सलमा Okay, Anamika, is there anything else you want to say? Please save this live session. ये क्या प्रेशर डाल दिया भाई मेरे को नहीं आता सेव करना. Hi, thanks for the compliment, Nisa. Sifat is a beautiful name. That's an interesting question. A lot of people are going to think obviously कि यार एक एक करके भेजो ना धीरे धीरे इतने सारे questions. So I'm saying कि हाँ why did we choose Sifat? There's going to be a lot of perspectives that will think कि fancy sound करता है या you know different sound करता है शायद इसलिए होगा. But actually we for the both of us, for me and Pashmeen, we actually wanted a daughter so bad because we were very sure of the name Sifat. So we love the name. So there's nothing more than that for us. Yeah. 37 lived a pretty good. अभी तो जिंदा हूँ यार. ऐसे क्यों? Oh, thanks यार. Thanks. Do a meet and greet. COVID. Where is Sifat? Sifat is Mumbai or Delhi your favorite city? ये भाई इसका जवाब नहीं दूंगा मैं. ना. Sifat is in the living room right now. What's the meaning of Sifat? Sifat's name. Do you have any other baby plans? भाई ये कौन सी family planning हो रही है यहाँ life पे? Sifat का meaning होता है God's praise. Missing stone. Oh, thanks. Oh, okay. Your favorite memory about Tu Hai Mera Sunday. The whole movie was like a vacation. Yeah, but I remember eating a lot and partying a lot. All of us friends actually one night went into the ocean in the night after a party and stuff like that. So that I remember pretty well. It was but the whole experience was phenomenal. Please यार एक बार मैसेज भी पढ़ो. Okay, मिताली पढ़ लिया हमने. Played roles as police, CBI officer, lawyer. Yeah. तो मतलब what is my favorite food? Favorite कुछ नहीं होता है दुनिया में. Current favorites होते हैं. आजकल मैं थोड़ा करी एंड राइस के पीछे पड़ा हुआ हूँ. Sorry. Okay, ठीक है. Bye sir. Okay, bye. No problem. What is my favorite color? I think blue. I'm also starting to like maroon a lot. Hey, hi, Deepthi. Hi, Kashu. Kashu running. Oh. Do you know AP? मतलब आंध्र प्रदेश. I know, yeah. Salam. My most annoying habit, मेरे से पूछ रहे. But I take a lot of pauses when I talk. I think that irritates people. It irritates my wife for sure. But yeah, I think I take a lot of pauses. No, she's playing around. She's not sleeping. She doesn't sleep a lot. साक्षी, ये जो तुम्हारा ये है ना आई लेवल और ये सब लेवल मैं अब नहीं हो सकता यार वो. हाँ, अगली बार नेक्स्ट टाइम आई लेवल. ओह ओके थैंक्स. हाय. योर फेवरेट फूड फिर से करी एंड राइस आजकल मतलब. व्हाट द कम टू इस्तांबुल टर्की. हाँ यार, actually I've been to Istanbul once, so it was a lovely experience. Asur 2 कब आएगा? Asur 2 आएगा I think in the second or third quarter of next year. There's a lot of work left right now. Current favorite web series? So Acha, there's this brilliant documentary on Netflix called The Last Nazis. So I just watched that, and that's really good. So in case you guys wanna watch. Sorry, क्या बोलूं? What there's a? Oh, please show Sifat. I don't think she would appreciate that. How's Pashmeen? Pashmeen is beautiful and healthy and working very hard. So yeah, she's good. आपकी बेटी दिखाओ please. अरे ऐसे थोड़ी होता. Okay, maybe next time. You think about COVID-19? Of course, everyone thinks about COVID-19, but I'm vaccinated, so that's the best you can do. So yeah, in case you wanna not think about it much. If not an actor, what would I have been? I would be working in a corporation maybe, and so just कोमल, किसी ने मेरे से अभी सवाल पूछा है कि 3 principles of your life. Oh my god, इतना ज़्यादा. Hey Sanaya, how's it going? कि 3 principles of my life यारी बहुत heavy लोड नहीं हो जाएगा for Facebook और Instagram live. Sorry. Happy birthday. आज तो है नहीं. Okay, advance. Thanks. Thank you. Love from Pakistan. Ooh, where from Pakistan are you? Tell something about Sanaya. क्या बताऊँ यार सनाया के बारे में. अभी वॉक करने जाएगी थोड़ी देर में शायद. Hi Sai, what's up? Adrita. Okay. Yeah. What's my height? I am just shy of 5'11". Love you from Palestine. Oh, 24th August. That means you are a Leo. It's a Cartier का perfume called, I think Times, a French name, I don't know, but Cartier. Movies in Netflix when I can never decode this. ये क्या मतलब है? Do you miss इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूँ? Of course. I had a great time here. Made friends for a lifetime over there. From which college I graduated? I started working when I was 17, not in the acting industry. How my friends are insulting me always, such coziness. Who are you closer to, Akshay or Sanaya? Both of them, yeah. It's very strange. It's a very strange question. And your timing couldn't be better. Whoever asked this question. Uh, love my down to earth nature. Oh, I think all thanks to my mother. I'm not very materialistic, so ऐसा बेस्ट वेस्ट कुछ नहीं, मुझको नॉर्मल सही है सब. हाँ विपिन कर देता हूँ यार रिप्लाई, सवाल तो पूछो. अम्मू, I think I know you. I think we've spoken on a that charity conversation kind of a thing. Hi Ammu. I don't get bored because you're just awesome. Oh, thanks sir. That's a very good compliment. मतलब ये क्या बात हुई? ओह अच्छा, या आई एम फॉलोइंग द ओलंपिक गेम्स. आज तो सेमीफाइनल भी है उसका, बजरंगी भैया का. What about Asur 2? What about it? It's coming out next year. What's your baby's name? My baby's name is Sifat. Sifat. Am I doing this right? ऐसे ही करते हैं ना ये. Which genre books you read? I usually read non-fiction a lot, and everything starting from politics to history, biographies, intelligence books. Intelligence, I mean the country intelligence agencies and everything I'm talking about. Reply ना बरू, not your honey. पर आपने अपना नाम ही नहीं लिखा तो मैं कैसे करूँगा? What was your experience while filming 200? 200 was like though I know it looks like an extremely intense subject and a movie, which it is, but to be honest with you, it was like knife through butter for me. It was very, very. You wish speak Spanish. I'm not even going to make an attempt because I don't speak Spanish. Yeah, so yeah, it was a very smooth experience for me. Amazing. रिंकू के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस बताइए. It was a lovely experience. We both, I think we hit the ground running, and our scenes used to just happen in one go, kind of a thing. So yeah, it was just really nice. Have you ever visited Gujarat? I don't think so. No. Ever? Wait, what? Sorry, एकदम से. What will you suggest? About what? I suggest that you take care of your family. Oh, thanks, yeah. Thanks for calling me sweet. Karti, sorry. Any Indian thriller series you watched? Dude, I watched everything. Everything that I like, basically. मेरा भी जवाब दें सर. Okay, Hafsai. Come to Bikaner I have been to. Yeah. I don't speak Konkani, but yes, I have been to Goa a lot of times. Yeah. My favorite role till date. Yet to come. मतलब ऐसे नहीं, I can't put a thing. I liked everything I've done. Yeah. Thank you, Ria. हाँ. Should be. Oh. यार तुम लोगों को पता है ना कि ये अपनी मर्जी के हिसाब से नहीं होता है, वो लोग कास्ट करते हैं, बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस होता है. So yeah. And on that note, with the promise of seeing you guys again, I will get out of here. And the lady asked me to record the session. So actually, this is way too many questions for me. So let me do this again sometime soon, and and I will, let's say, answer a particular number of questions for you guys. So keep your questions ready. In the meanwhile, stay solid.